Have you ever wondered why some people who barely have wrinkles still look older, or feel like their face has changed faster in the last few months or years? It's not just about lines or sagging skin. What you're seeing is often facial asymmetry, when one side of your face starts to age faster than the other. Research shows that facial symmetry is one of the strongest signs of youth and beauty, even more than smooth skin. But everyday habits slowly pull your face out of alignment. The side you sleep on, chew on, smile with more, or tilt your head towards while scrolling. Each creates an uneven muscle memory. That's why sometimes one eye starts to look smaller than the other, one cheek flatter, one side smile deeper. Over time, these small imbalances start to change how your whole face looks. The good news, these changes can be retrained. Most come from innocent habits that you didn't even know were creating these tension or imbalances in your face. Once you learn how to rebalance and activate your weaker side, your features begin lifting naturally. You can change how you age starting today. The choice is yours. You can keep spending on skincare that temporarily makes you look better, or finally invest in yourself, in retraining your face to naturally lift, balance, and glow every single day. Join me for my Rebalance Face Symmetry Reset workshop, where I will show you how to realign your face, restore that harmony, and feel confident in your natural beauty again. Oh, you'll also unlock bonuses that make this workshop worth far more than the investment, and a special opportunity to upgrade to the VIP Face Symmetry Masterclass for deeper transformation. If you've been noticing small changes that don't feel right, don't ignore them. Click below to join me live and rediscover the balanced, confident face you were meant to have.